silicon is doped with boron to a concentration of 4 into 10 to the power of 7 atoms per centimeter cube. Assume the intrinsic concentration of the silicon to be 1.5 into 10 to the power of 10 per centimeter cube. And value of Kt by Q is 25 millivolts at 300 Kelvin. Compared to undoped silicon, the Fermi level of the doped silicon, option A, goes down by 0.13 electron volts, option B, goes up by 0.13 electron volts, option C, goes down by 0.427 electron volts, and option D, goes up by 0.427 electron volts. It is given that the silicon is doped with boron. Boron is a trivalent impurity, so the doped silicon will be a p-type silicon. The number of holes in a p-type semiconductor is given as P is equals to Nv into exponential of EV minus EF by KT, and the intrinsic concentration holes are given by Nv into exponential of EV minus EFI, that is the Fermi level of intrinsic semiconductor, divided by KT. As we have to find the difference of the Fermi level of doped silicon and the intrinsic silicon, let us divide these two equations. We get P divided by Pi is equals to Nv and Nv gets cancelled. We can write exponential of EV minus EF. Here you get minus EF plus EFI because we are dividing. Divided by KT. This is exponential of minus EV and EV gets cancelled. We can write it as EFI minus EF divided by KT. Taking logarithm on both sides, we can write EFI minus EF is equals to KT into natural logarithm of P divided by Pi. As we have to find the difference in Fermi level in electron volt, we take the value of Kt in electron volts, that is 25 milli electron volts. We are writing it as 25 into 10 to the power of minus 3 into ln of P is given as 4 into 10 to the power of 7, that is the concentration will be equal to the number of holes. 4 into 10 to the power of 17 divided by Pi is intrinsic concentration, that is 1.5 into 10 to the power of 10. This value will be equal to 0.427. So what we have got is EFI minus EF is equals to 0.427. Considering the energy band diagram of the silicon, the Fermi level of the intrinsic semiconductor will be at the middle of the band gap. When it is doped with p-type, the Fermi level moves downward towards the valence band. This will be the new Fermi level of the doped semiconductor, and here we see that EFI minus EF, this is EF, we got it as 0.427 electron volts. So when compared to the intrinsic semiconductor, the Fermi level of the doped semiconductor will come down by 0.427 electron volt. So the right answer is option C, goes down by 0.427 electron volt.